Hello, professional students, and let's welcome back. Business process for idoc. This is the sample video I have already uploaded. Okay, so what is my intention? What are all the scenarios we can able to cover in OTC cycle and purchase cycle a little? It is useful if you are not introduced at all for idocs. Okay, so like you have a confusion about business scenarios, so I have explained the three practical scenarios. For example, you have a system A, purchase data you are communicating with system B. Okay, so this is source system, this is destination system. I have already uploaded one more video which is actually I have recorded. This is scenario 1. You see, from A to B it is going. Okay, all technical setups I have done in one client, single client 800 I have taken. Within that I have created RFC destination and port creation, and how to read your message types, and wherever the place you required output determination. Okay, system A PO data information go to system B, your purchase order will be created. Remember this is the first scenario. Okay, second, when you receive this, you will send back an order acknowledgement, purchase order acknowledgement. Okay, so this is one scenario, like system A to B, when it is communicated purchase order data you have sent for your vendor. Such a cases, the same data, suppose if it is supposed to be created sales order, that is second scenario I have done. Okay, so and third scenario, delivery and billing, you can able to do it, that I will going to cover in future. Now you see the third scenario, order acknowledgement. Okay, so order acknowledgement from system B to here. Okay, so what exactly it is going to cover? System A to B communicate purchase order supposed to be created, practical one. So system A to B communicated, okay, through inbound. Sales order will be created. Okay, third one is outbound. Order acknowledgement will be sent. Okay, you can try and billing and invoice also in the similar way. How we have to do these three scenarios in practically? Okay, how I explained. So you are going to participate with full confidence being a functional consultant after doing this course. I'm just providing this link below of this video. Actually, what this course is going to cover, you can see this, some of the logo I kept here for communication of different systems for understandable. This is the course launched. You can see this. Okay, today I have done this weekend. I have sacrificed my complete weekend for this. So what exactly it is going to cover actually? What is idoc and why we require idoc? Okay, business process for idoc integration. Okay, these three videos are already available in YouTube. And communication technology for idoc, XI, PI, or whatever you call different things, discussion. Type of data, message type, and idoc. What is the link and why? That is explanation. And idoc structure. And here starts, once you know the basics here. So idoc purchase order creation, practical part 1. Okay, that means A to B, purchase order creation. Second, purchase order creation, practical part 2. This is actually it's supposed to be like your sales order. Okay, so you can able to see purchase order cycle, and you have one more is there for order acknowledgement. Okay, and with purchase order data, sales order idoc creation in target system. This is for sales scenario 2 and order acknowledgement, sales order acknowledgement also. Okay, in a reverse, idoc reprocessing tools, discussion to handle support issues. Okay, firstly I have created some issues how you can able to handle idoc. You try on your practice system, it is 100% will be helpful. If some data, I'm just given some sample issues, some 3 to 4 issues. Okay, it's a bit lengthy discussion because on live I have done. So with purchase order data, sales order creation, this is the scenario 2. Okay, scenario 1, purchase order creation, part 1. Okay, purchase order, sales order creation, PO is part 2. And idoc reprocessing discussion and W19 and a certain BD87 or what are the tools you can able to use it. This you try this, 100% I'm guaranteed you can able to survive. You follow, but I'm telling you, don't blame me. like if you don't understand in the middle the scenario, why? Because you have to follow each and every basics at least 1 or 2 times. Okay, then you can easily understand the business processes. Then you try to put your fingers on keyboard and do the practice. This is how it happens. Okay, totally it is having 13 lectures. Okay, these three you can able to get it. Okay, so IDOC creation, sample IDOC creation, sample IDOC issues, foreground processing. What is foreground processing? It is very, very important. Support generally don't have access, but still it is very, very important. We used to do in one of our support project. And purchase order data, sales order data, creation and target system, sales order acknowledgement for customer. Okay, all these things. Probably you can able to try all these things if you really like it. Okay, anyhow, so let's all these are the, so like steps to create an idoc. Actually I have given this Excel. I'm just going to attach. I have forgotten. This also will be available for you, so that so you need not have any dependency on anybody. Okay, don't waste your mind for learning real time unnecessarily with so people try to enhance your weakness. Whatever I learned, I have learned everything on my own. You try to learn and subscribe this course. Hardly you can spend some 300 bucks or 500 bucks for one biryani cost if it is live. Then okay, you can try all these courses. That is up to you. If you want, you can subscribe. So I would like to tell the finally, like these three processes you must learn being a consultant, either from purchase side or side. Okay, if possible, you learn this concept for FI consultants in the future. If any chances are there, I will add it. Anyhow, all these are the different set of courses available to help you out yourself and to expand your knowledge. This is for if you are not introduced to S4 HANA, you try this course. With this, you can able to survive. You will come to know most important CVA integration with the 3 scenarios. Sometimes you will get 1 or 2 questions. You would like to get impress your interviewer. Little more about HANA apart from your ECC. You can impress this. So things are changing. Don't wait for small things, and you have to do the hard work actually. So industry everywhere, assholes will be there. Don't worry about that. Okay, whether your colleague or manager, don't worry about that. Always believe in your hard work. That's what I'm saying. Okay, this is sales and distribution, 93.5 hours. I'm sorry if I talk something wrong actually. So if you are honest, then be honest. That's it. If you are honest, then be continue that honesty on earth. Actually, that is more important in life. Don't find shortcuts. Being a brother, this is my advice. It's up to you how you are going to take your life. People thinking that no one is watching. Someone is watching. Getting master to write functional specification with RISEF. You can try this. In this also, very good things are there. About pricing, a lot of courses available at my end. So I'm just providing all those links below of this video. Okay, so learn all these 3 scenarios. That's what I'm expecting at your end, so that you can face real-time interviews with utmost confidence on idocs. Jai Hind.